Why T.U.F.F Puppy got cancelled. T.U.F.F Puppy is the third animated series created by Butch Hartman. The idea for the show came about because Hartman desired to create a crime-fighting show after he created Danny Phantom, an animated series that involved superheroes. T.U.F.F Puppy premiered on October 2, 2010, on Nickelodeon along with Planet Sheen, which premiered a half-hour earlier. And the series premiere drew in 3.6 million viewers. But, how does a show that drew in 3.6 million viewers at its premiere got cancelled after 3 seasons? Why wasn't T.U.F.F Puppy as successful as Danny Phantom and Timmy Turner? To find out, click the link in the description box.